Nokia is all set to launch another stunning smartphone soon. According to the buzz, this smartphone is going to blow your mind, with its 24GB RAM, and a jaw-dropping 250-megapixel DSLR camera. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Oxygen Ultra Pro Max 5G smartphone. Nokia claims that its sleek design and powerhouse features will make even the iPhone look pale in comparison. Astonished face. If you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end because today, we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia Oxygen Ultra Pro Max 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. This phone comes with a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that boasts a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate. And that's not all. It also features an in-display fingerprint sensor and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass armor for that extra durability. Camera setup. Now, let's move to the most exciting part, the camera. Nokia's new phone is set to be the ultimate camera phone. On the back, you'll find a quad camera setup, with a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 64-megapixel telephoto lens, a 24-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the front camera packs a whopping 50-megapixel sensor. Battery backup. When it comes to power, this phone doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a massive 7500 mAh battery, and supports 120-watt fast charging. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging socket for quick and convenient charging. Processor. Under the hood, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra Pro Max 5G is powered by the most powerful mobile processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Whether you're into professional gaming or heavy multitasking, this phone will handle it all like a breeze. And for the operating system, you'll get the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. This beast is expected to cost around $1,200. As for the launch date, Nokia might drop this phone by the end of this year.